For a chai masala, we need cardamom, clove, peppercorn, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger powder. In a coffee grinder, take all the whole spices and make it into a powder. To that, add ginger powder and mix it well. And so that will make a nice chai masala. So this is our chai masala. So let's make chai now. To make a chai, we need chai masala, loose leaf black tea, sugar, water, and 1% milk. So let's make our chai. My heat is on medium. To that, I'm going to add water. To that, I'm going to add my chai, a chai masala, and sugar. I'm going to let it sit and let it boil. So our water is starting to get hot, but not quite yet. So our chai is starting to get boiled. You see the color? So now the color have changed and you see how dark it got? To that, I boil the milk in a microwave for 1 minute. I'm going to add that to the chai. Because we heat up our milk, the boiling process will be faster, and will start boiling. So you have to let it boil everything together. You see? Now be careful. You have to turn off the stove. And if you have electric stove, just take it off so it won't boil all the way. Okay, so I'm going to strain our chai. Because we use the loose leaf tea, we have to strain it. And this is our chai. So for our pakora ingredients, we need potato, carrot, onion, zucchini, fresh cilantro, and fresh jalapeno, cumin, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, rice flour, and chickpeas flour, olive oil. So now you can see I grated carrots, potato, onion, zucchini. I even grated jalapenos, and then I squeeze all the water out from potato, onion, and zucchini, and I chop my cilantro, and it's all ready for us to make pakora. So now let's start mixing all these vegetables. Make sure it's mixed well. To that I'm going to add my salt. Turmeric powder. Red chili powder. Cumin powder. And my oil. So with that I'm going to add my flour. I'm going to take some water and make sure mix a nice batter. So you add water as needed. So usually we fry this, but today we are going to bake it at 350 degrees in the oven. Okay, so I've taken my pan, I put some oil, just lightly coated. So to that I'm going to make it into a ball and then just lightly press it. Make sure you keep some space. Okay, so I made my pakora, so I'm going to go ahead and bake it in the oven. Okay, so you see it's nice and golden on the side. So now we're going to flip it. It's hot, so be careful. So you take one and then you flip and see how nice it comes out. Be very gentle. So I have one more trick for you guys. So before you flip it, just put some oil. I'm using olive oil. So when it cooks on the other side, it will be nice and golden. So I'm going to flip it over. Okay, so our pakora, let's check. See how golden it looks? It looks really delicious. And so these are our pakora. It's hot. Isn't it look delicious? So this is our pakora. Let's give it a try. It is good.